Tired of Facebook's new look and long for the simplicity of the classic page design? Today, I'll show you how to revert back to the classic Facebook page if the option is available to you. Alright, let's dive right in first. Navigate to your Facebook page. You will want to click on your profile photo in the upper right corner of the screen. A drop-down menu will appear. Look for the option that says Switch to Classic Facebook. If you see this option, click on it. Facebook might ask you to provide feedback about why you're switching. This is optional, but you can select the reason and provide additional comments if you want, and then click the Switch button. Now your page should revert back to the classic design. You'll notice the familiar layout and functionalities are back. Keep in mind, Facebook phases out features, so this option might not be available indefinitely. And that's it. You've successfully switched your Facebook page back to classic. At least for now. If you found this tutorial helpful, give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tricks to master your online presence.